So, I'm making butter chicken. Normally, you would use a lot of butter inside of this dish. Now, I will be using a lot of butter, but I won't be using just any butter. It's actually called ghee. This butter, you don't find it in the butter section inside of your grocery stores like Kroger or Walmart. Guess where I found it? It was in the oil section because it's clarified and it comes in a jar. So, I brought that home and I've got everything prepped and I'm cooking it inside of a slow cooker. Come see how I do it. So, let me tell you how it went. I'm not disappointed with how that dish turned out. I actually really like the outcome. I've always looked at butter chicken as kind of a revered dish that really shouldn't touch because it's Indian. And I tell you what, it was it was something that I attempted because we had a craving. My wife and I had a craving, and I looked up. I said, that requires an instant pot. And then I realized it actually doesn't. There were recipes out there that had a crock pot. So I tried that. And, you know, I found that they weren't all using the same ingredients. So this was my attempt to get something out there that used the ingredients I thought would be clever. And it wasn't the same as what I've seen or tasted. So yeah, I think that I should have used heavy cream. I think that I should have used, yogurt on the chicken instead of lemon juice, or in addition to lemon juice. That's something that will have to be, seen next time. But for now, the video's out there, and I just want other people to enjoy that. Hey, I mean, not everything has to be perfect, and you can have fun with what you make. So please, by all means, continue to watch these attempts, because I'm not out here trying to portray myself as a chef that knows everything. But what I am trying to portray is that I enjoy what I do, and I eat the same things that I'm making. So I'm making like really like somewhat health appropriate items that aren't going to be terribly um, bad for you. So that's the goal of this channel, to eat things that I make and to make things that I actually wanted to eat and share them with people. And that's why I think that people should continue to watch what I make. Thanks. Like and subscribe if you can. Is there something else I should be saying? No, we're good. Bye.